Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start journaling for beginners. So there is a step-by-step guide. So number one is that you will just create a free Notion account. So you will just download the desktop or mobile app for easier access, and then you will just create a new page for your journal. So I will just use this bottom table. I will just tab on it, and I will just give them name like journal. And after you will just set the page for like you will just build your own layout. If you have preferred to create your own, like using heading, organize sections, add text blocks for free writing, insert divider to separate overlays. So example, I will just create like right over here. In the name I will just write it date and just tap to enter. So the next one is you will just tap on it plus icon, and here you will just write it for like mood and just tap to enter. And again you will just tap on it plus icon, and here you will just write it for like weather and just tap to enter. So in this way you can just create your text blocks, and again I will just tap to plus, and I will just write for highlights of the day and just tap to enter. So in this way you can just use Notion AI to create journals. So I will just make it short, and so now what gonna do, you will just add in your like date. I will just mention it like 17 Jan 2025 and just tap to enter. And here you just write your mood like happy and just tap to enter it. And here you will just write the weather of like sunny and highlights of the day. So here you will just type your own the day of your highlights. You will just add it here. So it is a complete step-by-step guide. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.